Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal IPN to your PHP backend, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect PayPal IPN to your PHP backend, start by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the account settings. Select the notifications section. Click on instant payment notifications. Activate the IPN feature if it is not already enabled. Enter your IPN listener URL. This is the URL on your server that will process IPN messages. Next, save your settings. Now, create a new PHP script to handle the IPN messages. In your script, start by getting the raw post data sent by PayPal. Use the file_get_contents, PHP a // input function. Store this data in a variable. Next, append cmd = notify valid to this data. This will ensure that you validate the IPN message. Send the data to PayPal for validation. Use curl or file_get_contents with the PayPal URL. The URL is https://ipv4.sandbox.paypal.com/cgi-bin/webcr for testing. For live transactions, use https://www.paypal.com/cgi-bin/webcr. Capture the response from PayPal. Check if the response is verified. If the response is verified, proceed to handle the payment. Extract relevant information from the post data. This includes transaction ID, payment status, and payer information. Log this information for your records. Update your database based on the payment status. If the status is completed, update the user's account. If the status is failed or refunded, adjust accordingly. Monitor for potential duplicate IPN messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.